The action camera world is heating up. GoPro just dropped the 13 Black. DJI's already got the Action 5 Pro out there, and soon we'll have the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 joining the race. But today, let's focus on comparing the Ace Pro 2 with the Action 5 Pro. We'll save the GoPro 13 Black for later. Now, while the Action 5 Pro is already available, we only have leaks to go off of for the Ace Pro 2. So, based on what we know, let's see how these two stack up. First, let's skip the design talk. What matters more is the sensor. The Action 5 Pro comes with a 40 megapixel, 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is solid. But the Ace Pro 2? It's rumored to have a 50 megapixel, 1/1.3-inch main sensor. But before you get too excited, this bump in megapixels might be due to pixel binning, so it's not exactly what the average person might expect. As for video resolution, the Action 5 Pro records in 4K at 120 frames per second. That's great. But the Ace Pro 2 steps it up with 8K at 30 FPS. Plus, the Ace Pro 2 has a slightly wider field of view at 157 degree compared to the 155 degree on DJI's side. Both cameras can record slow-mo videos at 240 frames per second, so you'll catch every moment in buttery slow motion. Next up is the chip. The Action 5 Pro has a 4nm chip that delivers an impressive 13.5 stops of dynamic range, perfect for capturing in tricky lighting conditions. But the Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature not just one, but two AI chips. This 5nm AI chip setup promises to improve everything from image processing to camera performance, system functions, and stabilization. In fact, it could outperform the Action 5 Pro, especially in low-light conditions. For all you vloggers out there, both cameras share the same minimum focus distance of 35 cm, which means they're great for close-up shots without needing any extra filters. And no worries about sound, because both cameras allow you to connect a wireless Bluetooth mic. Now, let's talk weight. The Ace Pro 2 is a bit heavier at 176 grams, while the Action 5 Pro is lighter at 146 grams. That 30-gram difference might not sound like much, but you'll definitely feel it when you're holding it for long periods. Both cameras are tough enough to handle your adventures. They can operate between -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. We currently don't have idea about water resistant on Ace Pro 2, but DJI has up to 20 meters without needing a case. Now, how much will all this cost you? According to Quadro News, the Ace Pro 2 is expected to launch at $399.99, while the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is priced at $349. That's a $50 savings if you go with DJI. So, which one would you choose? Stay tuned as we bring more updates and eventually throw the GoPro 13 Black into the mix. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more such videos. Peace out.